Hello friends, welcome back to Tech with IQ. Today, we will learn how to create a community on WhatsApp where you can add up to 20 groups at a time to communicate efficiently with people. Firstly, you have to update your WhatsApp app. Then go to the app. Click on the group icon on the upper left side of your screen. Here is the function of creating a community on WhatsApp. Click on Start Your Community. Here you need to fill in 3 blanks: the profile photo, community name, and description as per your choice and interest. I am filling it in to show you the complete process. Click on this green arrow at the bottom. It will lead you to add groups to your community. Go to Add Existing Groups. I am adding my 2 groups to this community to show you the demo. Now go to this arrow. It will create your community automatically in a few seconds. See, you have successfully created a community on your WhatsApp. Now go to View Community. Your added participant groups will get a notification of this community shortly. Thank you for watching this video. Please click on the subscribe button if you want to get more helpful information like this.